Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure a Profibus network. Profibus is a widely used industrial communication protocol, essential for seamless communication in automation systems. Understanding its configuration is key to ensuring reliable data exchange between your controllers and field devices. We will cover the fundamental steps to set up a Profibus network correctly, helping you achieve optimal performance and avoid common issues. Let's get started with the basics of physical installation. The physical layer is crucial for Profibus reliability. Always use the specified purple Profibus DP cable, which has a characteristic impedance of 150 ohms. Proper termination is vital. Install a 220 ohm resistor at both physical ends of each segment to prevent signal reflections. Remember that maximum segment length depends on your chosen baud rate. For instance, at 1.5 megabits per second, the limit is 200 meters. Also, ensure adequate separation from power cables to minimize electromagnetic interference. Next, we address devices and integrate GSD files. Every Profibus device needs a unique address, typically ranging from 0 to 127, though some are reserved. Addresses 0, 1, 126, and 127 have specific functions. You must import the device's General Station Description, or GSD, file into your engineering software. These files are crucial as they describe the device's capabilities, communication parameters like baud rates, and even diagnostic information, ensuring seamless integration and operation. Finally, commissioning and troubleshooting are essential steps. Begin by visually inspecting all cable connections and confirming that termination resistors are correctly engaged at both ends of each segment. Verify that every device has a unique address and is accessible on the network. Utilize specialized diagnostic tools, such as a Profibus bus monitor, to check signal quality and identify any communication errors. Pay attention to diagnostic messages from devices, often signaled by a red LED, which can pinpoint specific faults for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.